Hina Gujral and welcome to my YouTube kitchen. We all face challenges when it comes to healthy breakfast. So today I have got for you a very special healthy breakfast recipe which has oats, which has moong dal and lots of veggies. Yes, it's oats moong dal chila, which is very easy to make, super delicious and super crisp. So let's see how we make this oats dal chila in a few simple steps.
For making chila batter, we will soak 1 cup moong dal for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. While soaking dal, add 1 teaspoon of methi dana or fenugreek seeds. After 4 to 5 hours, drain all the water from the soaked dal, add 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and grind the dal to a smooth paste using 1/4 cup of water. Do not add too much water while grinding the dal. Next, we will take half cup of instant or quick cooking oats and we will grind them in mixer to make a fine powder. Now add moong dal paste into the oats powder along with salt to taste, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin or jeera powder, and mix it all together to make a smooth batter. If the batter is too thick, add 1/4 cup of water and whisk the batter nicely. The chila batter should be smooth, lump-free and of spoon-dropping consistency. Our chila batter is ready. We will keep it aside and next heat a pan to make the chilas. Brush it with little oil. Once the pan is hot, add a ladle full of batter in the center of the pan and spread it gently to make a pancake like chila. Spread the chila batter evenly and let it not sit at one place. For the topping, sprinkle chopped onion. You can use any vegetable of your choice such as chopped tomato, freshly chopped coriander, and drizzle a teaspoon of oil to cook the chila. Once chila is crisp from the base and starts leaving the pan, then only flip it. Do not forcefully remove the chila from the pan, otherwise it will break apart. After flipping, gently press the chila using a spatula to cook from the other side. A chila is flipped only twice and not again and again while cooking. Our healthy, wholesome, delicious oats moong dal chila is ready for breakfast. I am serving it with my favorite ketchup and chutney. You can serve these chilas with raita, potato fry or any other pickle of your choice.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed watching this oats dal chila recipe video, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.